Welcome back to MPV Auto. The Chevrolet Corvette is a legendary sports car that has undergone numerous design and technological evolutions, reflecting the innovation and high performance that define its legacy. For 2026, speculation suggests Chevrolet is planning several significant updates for the Corvette lineup. One of the most anticipated models is the Corvette Zora, expected to be a hybrid powerhouse delivering over 1,200 horsepower by coupling a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a hybrid system. This rumor is just an imagination. Presumably it will become an inspiration in the future. Additionally, Chevrolet is reportedly testing another hybrid Corvette model, which might also bear the Zora name. This model is anticipated to be the pinnacle of the lineup, offering hypercar-level performance. With its rich history and continuous invention, the Chevrolet Corvette remains an icon in the automotive world, delivering stunning performance and design to enthusiasts worldwide. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.